Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss a question asked in CSIR Net November 2020, which was asked in part C. Which of the following are bijective to R? The options are option A, set of all functions from the set 0, 1 to n. Option B, set of all functions from n to set 0, 1. Option C, set of all subsets of n. And option D is set of all subsets of R. So friends, here we have to find which of them are bijective to R. So here, first of all, we know that all those sets who are bijective, that is 1, 1 and on to R, have cardinality equal to R. That is, all those sets in which number of elements is equal to R are all bijective to R. And here cardinality of R, that is the set of all, the number of all members of R is equal to C, and which is uncountable. So here one by one we are going to take all these options. For option A is set of all functions from the set 0, 1 to n, and call this set as A. Now we are going to find cardinality of A, and cardinality of A will be cardinality of set of natural number to the power cardinality of set 0, 1. Here cardinality of set of natural number is alif naught, and cardinality of set 0, 1 is 2, and therefore cardinality of set of all functions from 0, 1 to n is equal to alif naught square, which is equal to alif naught, and which is countable, which is not equal to the cardinality of set of real number. Therefore option A is incorrect. Now for option B is set of all functions from n to the set 0, 1. Call this set as set B, and we are going to find cardinality of B, and it will be cardinality of the set 0, 1 to the power cardinality of n, and therefore we get cardinality of B is equal to 2 raised to alif naught, and which is C. And here we get cardinality of set of all functions from n to 0, 1 is equal to cardinality of R, and therefore it is bijective to R, and hence option B is correct. Now option C is set of all subsets of n, and call this set as set C. And now we are going to find cardinality of set C. It will be 2 to the power cardinality of n. We know that there is a formula to find set of all subsets of n. It will be 2 to the power cardinality of n. That will be 2 raised to alif naught, and we get 2 raised to alif naught is equal to C, that is cardinality of R. So here also we get cardinality of C is equal to cardinality of R, and therefore it is bijective to R, and hence option C is correct. Now for option D is set of all subsets of R. Call this set as set D, and we are going to find cardinality of D, and it will be 2 to the power cardinality of R, and we get 2 to the power C, and we know that 2 to the power C, which is also an uncountable but greater than C, hence it is not equal to the cardinality of R, and therefore option D is incorrect. So friends, here Only option B and C are correct. And this is how we find solution of this question. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubt regarding this question, you can also ask your doubts in the comment section. Keep commenting your feedback and keep watching all my videos. Stay connected with my YouTube channel. Thank you.